Have you been doing bad chin-ups, lat pull-downs and log negatives, but you still can't do your first chin-up? In this video, I'll share with you the exact progression I use repeatedly with clients aged 30 to 60 to get their first chin-up and beyond. And no, it doesn't involve 10-second negatives or longer or countless bad chin-ups. If you can already do 5-second negative chin-ups, then that's where I want you to start. Build up to 3 sets of 5 seconds, 5 reps. Once you can do that comfortably, what I want you to do is to simply add weight with a weight belt. Do not make the mistake of making the negatives longer or slower. This is where I think a lot of people go wrong by just extending the negatives by doing 10 second, 15 seconds and even 20-second negatives. But if you can't do a full chin-up, you're lacking the maximal pulling strength, not the ability to survive a long eccentric repetition. Early on, I used to have my clients do long eccentrics, so up to 20-second negative chin-ups, and they still couldn't do a full chin-up. But once we started to add weight and keep the descent to 5 seconds, they got stronger much faster and started getting their first chin-ups quite fast. Now, if you at this point can't do a body weight 5-second negatives, then what I want you to start with is going to be leg assisted chin-ups on rings or on a bar. So here you're going to be assisting with your legs on the way up, and on the way down you're going to be relying less on your legs. And over time you're going to be ideally coming down with your full body weight in a controlled manner. Use this until you can do controlled body weight negatives and then move on to the 5-second body weight negatives and progress from there. Now the weight progression depends on what kind of weight you have available to you. Ideally, I would recommend you increase like 1.25 to 2.5 kilos each week. But if you don't have those increments available, then just over time, increase weight. Once you can do those rep ranges I discussed comfortably, increase the weight. And this is not exact science, but what I noticed from coaching several people is that once you can do around 20% of your body weight in extra weight and do the 3 sets, 5 second, 5 reps, then you can do around 1 chin-up. And once you can do around, I would say 25 to 30% of your body weight in extra weight for the same rep ranges and set amounts, then you can do around 2 chin-ups. That is not an exact science though, just observations that I've noticed from training clients. Go ahead and steal this method. I use this with several clients and I can promise you it's going to work much better than doing endless banded chin-ups or super long negatives. If you got some value from this video, then please go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more similar videos in the future. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.